Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Minecraft panorama. This custom background image enhances your game's main menu, offering a unique visual experience. We will cover everything from in-game setup to final image assembly. You will learn to capture 6 distinct views and then stitch them together using an image editor. This guide will help you personalize your Minecraft loading screen with your own creative vision. To begin, launch Minecraft and find a suitable location for your panorama. First, set your field of view to 90 degrees in the video settings. Next, hide your graphical user interface by pressing F1 to ensure no elements obstruct your view. From a fixed central point, take 6 precise screenshots: one facing forward, one backward, one to the left, one to the right, one looking straight up, and finally, one looking straight down. Now open your 6 captured images in your preferred image editing software. You will need to arrange them in a specific sequence: the front view, followed by the back, then the left, the right, the top, and finally the bottom view. Each image should be cropped to a square aspect ratio, typically 256 by 256 pixels. Carefully align them to ensure a smooth transition between each face, creating a continuous panoramic scene. Once your panorama is perfectly stitched, ensure each of the 6 faces is precisely 256 pixels by 256 pixels. Save the entire panorama as a single image file, typically named Panorama 0, PNG through Panorama 5, PNG for each face. Finally, integrate this image into your Minecraft resource pack by placing it within the correct assets folder. This will replace the default menu background with your custom creation, ready for you to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.